Hello, this is Svetlana Shepitsina, and in this tutorial I will show how we create functionality for photo gallery section of our application. I'm using Vim and WebStorm remap shortcuts during my work. All of them you can find at my Google Plus profile. First of all, when we open our application, we can find Photos section here, and we already added design for uploading pictures, and here are our galleries, and we already have first one, and when we click on it, we open another view gallery where we have all our pictures and how it works. First of all, in part of our application that we create in Visual Studio, to our breeder profile view model, we added property galleries, type of list of gallery. And when we click Alt-B on gallery, we open gallery model, which has ID, title and list of photos. And Alt-B on photo, and we open model for each picture. It has ID, caption and file path. And in breeder personal controller, we added two methods, get galleries and update galleries. And when in browser we give a path, first it's our controller breeder personal, and then one of our methods, get galleries, we get all information about gallery in JSON format, and here it is. After that, in WebStorm application profile, we created view profile photos where we path our directives. First of them, it's a directive photos info. Now it just displays design for uploading pictures, and another directive for our displaying our galleries. It's photo galleries directive. It is managed by Photos controller, and here it is. And Photos controller makes a request to database and get all galleries for our application, and we wrap a directive photo galleries in div with UI view. And in our Photos controller, we created galleries array type of iGallery. Okay, it's our TypeScript for gallery, and here is our application. We have a list of our galleries, and we use ng repeat for displaying all of them. And first of all, we show first picture of our gallery, and we take user name. We added it to our TypeScript file property, and we take username to display picture for our gallery, and we use also filter here, spaces to dashes. We can always open it with Alt-B. It's registered in our app.js file, and when we click on it, we can open it declaration also with Alt-B. Here it is. We convert our spaces to dashes. Okay. Close it. And in each photo gallery, we have child view for displaying our photos. And when we open main TypeScript file, we can up TypeScript, we can find states for our photos. First, it's profile photos. Here it is, and when we click on gallery, we open child view galleries, and here we pass URL with gallery plus ID. Here it is. For first gallery it's ID 0, and it is also managed by Photos controller, and here we path our template directly from we don't create separate file, and we use also div UI view for wrapping it, since in future it's for our future possibility to open and edit pictures, and it's our next directive that we pass photo gallery, and it managed by Photos controller. And when we open photo gallery, we can see that we have list of our pictures, and we also can see that we take our galleries by index, and in photo gallery title we created a controller that has two dependencies, scope and state params, and with state params we take our ID. We created variable index, and variable index has an ID for our galleries, and that's how it works. And that's it for today. Thank you. Bye bye.